Here on the main stage, we have our colleagues from Turkey with a company called Seranit, who's going to be talking about their efforts to improve problem-solving skills. Hello, Kursat. Hello, Adem.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
The stage is yours. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Mr. Adem will be presenting their journey in lean management, in problem solving through the years. So, stage is yours, Mr. Adem.
Thank you very much. Hello, dear participants. My name is Adem Türkol. I'm attending from Turkey with the company name of Seranit. I'm a chemical engineer and working for Seranit nearly 19 years. I'm serving as a production manager. Seranit is a tile producer company. If I inform you about the company shortly, or in comparison, was in 1992. In Bilecik area. In 2006, there was a new investment to increase the capacity. In 2011, the new brand Serra Ceramic has launched in Inonu area. Today, we have 2 factories in 2 sites. Has totally 14.5 million square meter production capacity for high-quality porcelain floor and wall tile. Seranit is the first porcelain tile production factory in Turkey. The first brand that has introduced the sizes 60 by 60 centimeter, 60 by 120 centimeter, and 90 by 90 centimeter to the Turkish market. The brand that has presented breakthroughs in the sector with its innovative products such as Aquanit is a shower tray. This is the first in the world. Ceravase is a step tile, and Duostone is a thick foam tile, and etc. Our main markets are airports, hotels, shopping centers, supermarket chains, and houses. Today, I will inform you the lean production facilities in Seranit. We met lean production at the end of 2020 with Lean Institute Turkey. And after that, we took consultancy service from them during our lean journey. Before this, we haven't got any study of lean production. So the general thought of the lean is a production way of automobile sector. After getting trainings for lean production, we recognize that the lean production is a method of problem solving. Of course, at the beginning, we got a resistance coming across by the employees. In the trainings, the successful lean examples are always coming from automobile sector. So question marks occur. Are we automobile producer or are we assembly industry? This system isn't suitable for us. We already have made a lot of improvements. Yes, this is true, but the improvements aren't made in a system or in a method. So by the time we come back to the same level, it's increased the number of purchasing and maintenance facilities. Also increased the numbers of analyses, reports, and presentations by the responsible people. Besides the written jobs, lean studies increased the workload that made the employees tired, and sometimes delayed the deadlines of the actions. So, how we get through the difficulties? We provide trainings for Lean. These trainings teach to work in Lean way and understand the Lean is the suitable method for production. We made the employees be a part of problem solving. We care about the ideas of employees. This made them motivated and feel to be considered. We motivate the employees after hard work for Lean at the beginning, they will reach smooth and easy job. The support of the top management is very important. If the management do not believe, nothing can be done. And we gave rewards for the incomes of the Kaizens. To be appreciated or awarded is important for the employees. To understand the situation of the factory, we get the training of value stream mapping, then draw the VSM of the factory. In VSM, we calculated the parameters of OEE, quality ratio, setup time, capacity, and etc. for the departments of production. So we saw the weak sides and the subjects to improve. Firstly, we recognize that we have too much stoppage of production. Because of this, the first Kaizen subjects are mainly capacity increase or efficiency. In 2020, we also started up for Asakai morning meetings. Each production departments are preparing the OEE, quality ratio, stoppage time, and production quantities for the previous day, and drawing the graphs by hands. Every day at 9:30 a.m., we have a meeting in the production area. First subject is health and safety work. Then the department's responsible people presents their data. For any big stoppage, repeating problems, or quality problems, we are getting actions. The benefits of the Asakai meetings are all the departments attend to the meeting, so it increases the communication. By the help of the tables and graphs, you can get the situation easily. We are talking for the previous day, so it provides to make provision for the problems without wasting time. All the departments focusing the same problem together, so it's increasing the teamwork ability. We are planning and following up the actions and evaluate the efficiency of the solutions. This is very important. When we write an action, we define a deadline and a responsible people. When the time comes for the action, responsible people gives information about the solutions or delay. If it is solved, we close the action. If not, we are defining a new deadline. Sometimes we are determining a Kaizen subject from repeating problems. If we check for the last 1 year's Asakai actions, 196 actions opened and 184 actions closed. So the closed ratio of actions are 93.88%. In 2021, value stream mapping has completed. From the VSM problems are chosen and Kaizens are determined. We get the trainings of the Kaizen and problem solving. And also we start up the lean facilities in other Inonu plant. As I talked before, we focused on capacity and efficiency increase Kaizen and SMETs. We constituted the leader and the members of the Kaizen groups. Every week we made meeting with the mentor coming from Lean Institute and checked the steps of Kaizen progression. When we finished the Kaizens, we got good results. For example, in preparation department, the meal OEE increased from 79.6 to 83.2 and 86.2 in 2023. Spray dryer OEE increased from 74.4 to 84.5, and lastly, 87 in 2023. For the other department is packing, the OEE increased from 77.2 to 85, and lastly 87.4 in 2023. In 2022, now it's turn to increase the first quality ratio of production. For this reason, firstly, we made the Pareto analysis of the previous year. By Pareto analysis, you can separate the problems from most important to less, and usage of graphics provides visual management. Then we selected the subjects for group Kaizens and progressed the method of Lean. And this is the first quality ratios by years. As you see from the graphic, we have constant ratios between 86 and 87% by long years. It's rise to 89.1% in 2021, 92.8% in 2022, and 93.7% in 2023. So we get successful results here again. In 2023, we dealt with 80 problem-solving Kaizens. After the war started between Russia and Ukraine, the prices of natural gas started to increase too much, and electricity follow up. Ceramic sector is a big consumer of energy, so affected from this crisis too much. Energy percentage in 1 square meter of product cost increased from 28% to 55%. For this reason, top management directed us to work on energy themed Kaizens. We discussed the subject with our mentor coming from Lean Institute, and he suggested A3 problem-solving Kaizens to overcome this problem. Then we get the A3 trainings. We defined the subject as decreasing the total specific energy consumption of the factory. This time, the mentor is production manager. In this Kaizen, nearly all the levels of employees take in charge. We divide the main subjects into two, as decreasing the specific natural gas consumption and decreasing the specific electricity consumption. Before starting, we analyzed the consumptions of the departments by years. There are three main users of natural gas. First one is preparation department with spade dryer. Second one, press department with vertical dryers. And the third one is the firing department with roller kilns. For electricity, we defined four A3 kaizens below the main A3. These are general areas electricity A3, preparation department electricity A3, press department electricity A3, and squaring and polishing department A3. These four sections are the biggest consumer of electricity. The leaders of the A3 kaizens are the chiefs of the departments again. Under general areas electricity kaizen, the leader decided to make before-after kaizens. The first one is decreasing the consumption of the electrical panels, and the leader is electrical maintenance engineer. The second one, decreasing the consumption of the slip mixers, and the leader is electrical maintenance technician. The third one, decreasing consumption of lighting areas, and the leader is electrical maintenance shift responsible. And lastly, fourth one, decreasing the consumption of the packing machinery areas, and the leader is electrical maintenance worker. As you see, the subject is too much wide. The mentor defined the main target for A3 Kaizen and divided the below Kaizens according to the ratio of consumption and the opportunity of the departments. These targets can be revised along the Kaizen process. We determine the total target 5% recovery for both natural gas and electricity, and divide the 5% to below A3 Kaizens. After finish the Kaizen process, the profits for electricity is 11.7%, and for the natural gas is 11%. The results are satisfying. So, A3 Kaizen teach us to work in collaboration with all the departments for the same target. And we gain the ability to manage the main problem by dividing to the pieces to catch the main targets. As a result, the evolution with the lean production teach us new approaches to problems and solving methods. All the employees has improved their ability and get a new perspective. Thank you very much for your listening.
So I see there are no open questions. Let me close the subject like this. Through the years, people in the factories really worked hard and embraced the lean concepts. And as a result, especially in the A3 problem solving, we see that more than satisfactory results are gained, and the competitiveness of the factory, of the company, has allowed the company to survive and also to grow by embracing the problem solving methods completely. So we can take what is our next challenge, Mr. Adem?
Now we will see. We will improve with lean. So with your help, also Mr. Kürşat is our mentor from Lean Institute of Turkey. He's helping too much us, teach us too much things. So with their advices, I think we will make more improvements, and we can make a smooth work and good jobs, and improve our ability of the employees, personal ability, and so company will be more competitive. Like this. Thank you.
There's another question.
Okay.
Was the energy project linked with Hoshin? Unfortunately, we didn't have a Hoshin study. It just came up. You know, the war started and we were in trouble. So we acted quickly and just did the problem solving on energy kaizens. Let me add something more. The kaizens and A3 problem solving are not the only things we did. We also have another consultant, my friend, working with us, and we also had maintenance TPM activities. So especially the autonomous maintenance activities contributed to the success of the company's lean journey, and their aggressive pursuing of the goals in Asakai meetings and their Asakai action completion rate is also a very key to the success of the company. And there's another question. How do you motivate employees to take part in the lean journey? Our reward and recognition system.
Because we tell them that with the lean production, their job will be more smoother and more easy in the near future, because if we have a lot of stoppage in the production, the reasons are too much things, and after hard working with lean firstly, and you will see a smooth work conditions. So after making the first kaizens and smiths, they saw that this is true. So because with the help of the kaizens, their job is more easy. So they will motivate it in the next time more.
And also, we designed and implemented a reward and recognition system.
Yes.
So after each Kaizen, people get rewarded.
True.
There's another question. The OE percentage was relatively high when the project started. What program did the company follow before their lean journey?
Well, actually, we don't follow any program. There is no any systematic method or way that we are using. In our process, there is a kiln is the main capacity determining process. So we have to fully fired products because of this. The other departments has to work hard to fill it. Because of this, our EE already is not too much less, but of course is not too very well. Because of this, with the help of the lean, we increased over 85%.
Do we have any more questions, please? So we don't have any more questions, I think. Mr. Adem, thank you for your presentation.
Thank you very much, Mr. Kürşat, for your help with our lean journey.
Keep up the good work.
Thank you.
Okay, so we thank all the participants for listening to us. So see you next time. Bye-bye.
See you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Kürşat. Thank you. We'll take over from here.